16 life hacks and DIY tips that make life easier. We get so used to the more mundane burdens of everyday life that we rarely stop to wonder if there's an easier way to do them. Luckily, some outside-of-the-box thinkers have idealized clever ways to diminish the most minor of inconveniences that most of us wouldn't think twice about. Are you a fan of everyday hacks, tips, and tricks? While there may not always be shortcuts in our day-to-day lives, anytime there's a more convenient path, we'll very likely take it. These people's simple solutions will not only make you wonder why no one has thought of them before, but also why they aren't everywhere yet. So if you love simple life hacks and do-it-yourself tricks, you've reached the right place. Now, keep watching for incredibly clever ideas that should really have caught on by now. Before we begin this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more daily tips like this and turn on notifications so you never miss our new videos. Number 16. Tile attachment. Most of the time, when you lose a wallet or your keys, it's game over. However, this clever tile attachment works as a Bluetooth tracker, so you can locate your lost item using your smartphone. Just make sure not to lose all three. Number 15. Charging devices. When you're traveling or camping, charging devices can become a bit of a mission. These innovative batteries are embedded with a USB interface on the side, so you can dole out the electronic juice with ease while on the go. Number 14. Ironing board. This clever ironing board serves more than one purpose to help satisfy your getting ready needs. With a mirror attached to the other side of the board, a simple flip will save you from having to go from room to room. Speaking of simple life hacks, did you know that there are some pretty cool do-it-yourself car life hacks out there for driving that can save you money on gas? Stick around until the end to find out what they are. Number 13. A coaster. The One Puck has revolutionized the coaster to suit your charging needs. This puck uses a small Stirling engine to harness the power of hot and cold drinks and converting it into energy. A resourceful concept that urban coffee shops could certainly get behind to help prevent electricity freeloaders. Talk about everyday hacks, right? Number 12. Handy key system. Considering how much we've grown to rely on our phones, they are usually always within reach. Keys? Not so much. Instead of fumbling around once you get to your front door, this system allows you to unlock with a quick tap of your screen. Number 11. Cooking pan. Are you a stickler for not having your foods touch? This separate cooking pan allows you to fry up multiple foods without having them turn into one giant blob. Plus, you get some aesthetically pleasing results as well. Number 10. Meeting up with strangers. For those wary of meeting up with strangers to make internet purchase exchanges, these designated little hubs will make the transaction more secure. Number 9. Parking garage system. Anyone who has ever thought they finally found a parking spot only to be deceived by a tiny car will truly appreciate this concept. This parking garage system uses lights as indicators to show whether a spot is vacant or not, so you can stop circling around aimlessly. Number 8. Innovative escalator. Pedestrian traffic can quickly pile up when everyone is gravitating towards the narrow space of an escalator. This can become even more of a hassle when there are multiple sets of them. This innovative escalator keeps people in motion by turning into a moving walkway and then back into an escalator again. Number 7. Elimination lane. There's a reason candy greets you in the checkout lane. It's hard to resist throwing a sweet treat into the mix at the last minute, especially when you have kids badgering you for them. This lane completely eliminates the temptation for kids and adults with little self-control. Number 6. Designated courtesy seat. Public transit often uses signs to indicate specific seats that should be given up for those in need. However, this bus takes it a step further by having the seats upholstered to show that it's designed as a courtesy seat. Number 5. Swing, swing, swing. Why should parents have to miss out on some solid playground fun? This baby swing has an adult swing attached, so both can enjoy swinging simultaneously. Number 4. Highlighter innovation. Word search enthusiasts rejoice. This innovative highlighter has a cutout section in the tip, so you can see exactly what you're highlighting. Number 3. Indented car seats. Most car back seats don't take knees into consideration. However, this vehicle has indented spots, so you can sit comfortably without having to involuntarily resort to the fetal position. Number 2. Parking spaces. Trying to stay in the parking space lines painted below is not easy in the confines of a car. However, this lot came up with an easy solution of having the lines continue onto the barrier above. No need to open your car door and try to line yourself up here. Number 1. Transparent toaster. Knowing when your slices of bread are perfectly toasted can be quite a gamble with the average toaster. This transparent toaster eliminates the need for repeated pop-up checks. Now that you know about some do-it-yourself everyday hacks and clever ideas that should have really caught on by now, here are some pretty amazing car hacks that can save you money on gas. Driving may be the most convenient way to get around, but the rising cost of owning and maintaining a vehicle make it a luxury that's difficult to afford. If you use your car to commute to work on a daily basis, the costs of gas and maintenance services can also make it feel like you're working to drive rather than driving to work. However, here are some tricks that you can do to help cut down on your fuel and maintenance costs. Here they are. Number 8. Plan your route before you go. You probably have a destination or two in mind before you put your car into drive. However, many people don't take the most efficient route possible. There are an endless amount of mapping tools available that can guarantee you're getting where you need to go as fast as possible. Number 7. Eliminate wind resistance. Having a huge luggage rack on your roof or even keeping your windows down can cause wind resistance while driving. The more aerodynamic your vehicle is, the more fuel you will save in the long run. Number 6. Plan where you fill up. Don't wait until you're out of gas to fill up, or you'll end up paying more out of convenience. Gas stations near the highway are notorious for being pricier. Plan ahead and take advantage of the many smartphone apps that show you the cheapest gas prices. Number 5. Declutter your car. Some of us have a habit of driving around with a lot of unnecessary weight. However, it's best to keep only the necessities in your vehicle because the heavier it is, the more fuel it will end up consuming. Number 4. Monitor your braking. Excessive braking can waste gas and cause your brake pads to wear out. This can be avoided by monitoring how you brake. Maintaining a safe distance between you and the car ahead of you will eliminate the need to slam on the brakes, which will improve the efficiency of your vehicle. Number 3. Use cruise control. When you're driving on the highway, cruise control doesn't just provide your foot a brake, it can also provide additional gas savings. Accelerating regularly will cause you to use much more fuel than necessary. Number 2. Monitor your tire pressure. Underinflated tires can cause your fuel consumption to increase. It's important to regularly check your tire pressure, as properly inflated tires help reduce friction and offer better gas mileage. Number 1. Turn off air conditioning. In the sun months, blasting the AC might seem necessary, but fuel consumption increases 15% on average when the air conditioner is on. The AC uses energy supplied from the engine, which uses the fuel in your gas tank. Did you know about any of the hacks in this video? What other simple life hacks do you know about that help save you time and money? Let us know in the comment section below. Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button and share with your friends. Also, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.